Alright everybody, yesterday I made a video because the Ryobi tractor kept getting clogged, or at least the deck, which is right here, kept getting clogged. So I had to coat it, clean it, do all that stuff. I just making it really hard to mow. Well, today, just after that mow, actually just during that mow, it was doing great for the first half, but the back half of the mow, I started getting a lot of clogs again, which was really annoying. So here's what it looked like. This is what it looks like after one mow. I've still got a ton of buildup under here, and whatever coating I did just didn't work. So I have my other mower out and I'm mowing with it, and it has the pressed plate deck. I'm having absolutely no issues, and I haven't even had to clean it this year. So I'm taking a look at the design, and this opening right here is just about under 11 inches, just about 11 inches, while the pressed plate deck is like, I think 13 inches. So what I'm going to do is actually cut this out going this way, and I'm going to try and make it a lot bigger, and maybe by opening this up just a little bit, it'll help with the clog issues. I'm just having a really hard time mowing with it, so let's go ahead and mark this out. So I'm going to try and do something like this, maybe something like that, and the curve back in there. So maybe make it a little rounded in here, something like that. We'll hatch that off. So just maybe if we open it up just a little bit, it'll help. Okay, this is what it looks like. I got a nice cut on it. It is smooth to the touch, inside and out. That's what I cut off. Now if this doesn't work, now I do have full coverage over that too, see? Nothing's exposed. You actually have on the back side a lot of room in there. So if this doesn't work out, I'm actually going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to cut it all the way out to here and straight down to open this up more. Maybe that'll help, but I'm hoping this will work. So I'm going to throw a little bit of paint on it and let this thing finish charging and get out there. Alright, so I tried the other way with cutting it bigger. It did help a lot, but it didn't fix the issue. So now what I'm going to do, I actually bought replacement blades, but I'm not going to put the double blades on. These blades are in pretty rough shape, but honestly, I mean, they're not that bad, but they could be a lot better. So I'm going to just put the replacement blade on and see if that will help See here, they only go on one way. It would help if I put it on the right way. There we go. All right, we'll change this one out. Take no time at all. Get this new blade on. All right. Now, let's go see how it actually runs. Okay, so it worked a lot better with that single blade and it being sharp. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'm sure it does. Now I'm going to try some ridiculously long grass, and let's just see how it cuts. This is well over a foot long right here, as you can see, and you'll see once I actually get through it. I tried to cut it before, as you can see right in that area right there. I wasn't able to actually get through, but maybe today we will actually make it through. So let's see how this does. Alright, so realistically, I don't think I can ask more of this mower than what it just did. The single blade seems to be cutting taller grass much better than the dual blades, which that's really for mulching the grass up, and then you're going to return the nutrients to the ground and all that great stuff. But if you're really just trying to workhorse this thing and cut through that tall grass, the single blade is the way to go. You get far less clogs, you get better performance out of the actual mower, and you get better battery life, I'm finding. So everybody, I hope that this was helpful to you. If you are experiencing some of the same issues that I am, if it was helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well, that really does help, and share the video. When you share the video, you may help somebody out who may be having the same issue, and you just solved their problem. And also, get out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass that knowledge on to the next generation, and we will all be better for it. Until next time, my name is Brent, this is Live Free and Tool, and thanks for watching. See ya.